These birds was born and I became their papa. The swift is a special bird, one of the fastest in the world, which can stay in the sky for months, feed, breed and sleep on air. These birds cannot sit on tree branches and walk on the ground, so if you notice a swift sitting on the ground, it means that it needs human help. It is necessary to place it in a box of such a size that it can open its wings. The box must be dark, it is very important. I put the bottom of the box with paper, which I'll change as it gets dirty. If you find a small swift that has fallen out of the nest, the main thing for him now is food. Swifts eat insects. I will feed them special cockroaches. Feeding was every 3 hours. Each ate 7 cockroaches. If the swift refuses to eat, then it is necessary to force feed. Wrap the swift in a napkin so as not to damage the plumage, and carefully, opening the beak from the side, put the insect into the mouth. The beak of swifts is very fragile, it cannot be opened by the tip, because it can break. I will put their new nest next to the window so they can hear the sounds of nature and breathe fresh air. The bird should gain weight every day by 1 gram. A chick in a nest can weigh up to 55 grams. But before it starts to fly, the chick begins to lose weight, refuses to eat so that the weight before the flight is not lower than 37 grams. If you see that the swift has become aggressive, its look has changed, it often opens its wings, then it's time to let it go. Raise your hand with the bird up, it will decide for itself whether to fly or not. Feeding a swift is not easy, but then it will rise from your palm into the sky and live a happy life there.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I've become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may. Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old lives. And my crooked little heart that seems so rebellious is falling apart right now. I'm bleeding, an easy kid, gonna leave it all behind. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the
I look out across the water, I smell the salt and feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Reaper's Fork to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the call